Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm back with another project using the Felicity Jane Rebekah kit for the month of October. And I am starting a new project because I don't have enough projects on my plate, but I had a few of these empty Felicity Jane notebooks laying around. They have the Traveler's Notebook size. These are the standard Traveler's Notebooks. I love these. You can do the same project in one of these, but I'm going to be using one of the A5 size notebooks. I don't believe they have these in the shop for sale. They did one as a subscriber bonus a couple months ago, and then I had this one that was sent to me as a part of the creative team, but I just want you to know that everything that I do in this notebook, you could do in one of the standard size Traveler's Notebooks, and you could also take the pattern papers and make your own A5 size notebook if you liked that size a little bit better. So I won't be putting this particular project into a Traveler's Notebook cover because I'm kind of thinking about tearing this apart and making it a ring-bound album. I'm not quite sure how that's going to go yet, but I just wanted a little bit bigger of a space. So this is the an A5 size. So what I decided to do is create a project just for me. So just documenting some of my accomplishments, some of the things I'm proud of. I don't usually do that. I don't want to like brag about things that I'm excited about, and so I'm kind of hesitant to do that, but I think this will be really encouraging for me personally. I want to document as I get on to different design teams, so that's what I will be documenting today, is that I am going to be continuing on the Felicity Jane creative team for the fall winter of this year. So I'm super excited about that. But I also want to document just I don't know, just other personal accomplishments as I'm on this whole journey to be going back to the gym and getting fit again, and just things like that, things that I'm excited about or things that I enjoy, or just, I don't know, little moments like that in a little notebook for encouragement for me. So that is what I'm going to be creating in today. I have several different things already prepped. I have some pattern papers from the Rebekah kit that I've already cut down. I have some of the journaling cards from the Rebekah kit. I've already gone ahead and typed out my journaling on one of those. I have a few die cut pieces, one of the little tag charms from this month, the gold puffy stickers, the little mustard colored paper clips. Now, I did mention in my unboxing that these come with the Rebekah kit. That was incorrect. These do not come in the Rebekah kit. They are an add-on that you can get separately. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. I also have one of these chipboard ampersands. I ordered a whole bunch of these. These are from Amber from last fall, I believe, and I ordered several packages of these because I use them all the time. And I have this one here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to customize with some embossing powder to match the spread that I'm going to be creating. So I'm just going to be documenting this photo of the design team for this term, and have, you know, just some bits and pieces that I'm going to put on there, nothing too crazy. So let me go ahead and put you on fast forward and we'll put this layout together. Okay, so I'm going to begin by setting down some of these pattern papers that I cut out for the background here. This is one of the things I'm excited about for this particular project, is getting to use the papers that I hoard, the embellishments that I tuck away and are saving for the perfect project, just all my little favorites, like this amazing floral paper from the Rebekah kit. I always love the Felicity Jane florals. So for this particular project, I'm looking forward to getting to use all the pretty things, all the things that I like, all the things that I'm saving, and kind of just get them into a special spot. I used to do a lot of Traveler's Notebook memory documenting before I moved to the 8.5 by 11s, and so it's fun to go back to this and work in these like 2-page type spreads. It's just a different scale and a different way of documenting, and I kind of just miss it. I'm still going to do the 8.5 by 11 size for pictures of my boys and for monumental moments and things like that, but for this project, it's just fun to kind of go back to this style. And this is one of the reasons I have tons of these journaling cards, and they are better scaled for a project like this. So you can see I'm just layering up one of the journaling cards behind this one that I typed on, and it's just nice to kind of use up some of those supplies that I have in my stash. So I did run that through my typewriter, and I just did some journaling, just how thankful and amazed I am to be on this team. I have now officially been with Felicity Jane for a year, and every day I wake up and just can't believe that I'm on this team because these ladies are amazing. If you have not checked out the Felicity Jane blog, you need to. It's not just scrapbooking and memory keeping. These ladies do home decor projects and gift wrapping projects and Bible journaling and scrapbooking, and I mean, it's just amazing the things that these ladies come up with. I look at their projects, I'm like, oh, why didn't I think of that? Or, oh, why would I never thought to use that product that way. Or they just are constantly challenging me to step up my game and try new things. And if you have a company that you really admire and you see that they are doing a design team call, go for it. You just never know what they're looking for, and it never hurts to try. Submit your stuff. You never know. I busted my booty trying to try out new projects and up my photography game and up the quality of my videos and all these things that I really worked hard at behind the scenes before I applied for this team. And so I never have documented a moment like this where I'm on a team, which is kind of funny because I've been on design teams for a few years now. But it is something I'm proud of because I work really hard, and I, just am amazed that a company would want to partner with me to do things with their products. It's just fun. It's just an amazing experience. So there's that picture of all those amazing ladies, and all of their creativity is just awesome. I'm going to go ahead and add one of those little charm tags to the paper clip. I do add a little bit of double-sided adhesive. This comes from the design team. I saw Cherie do this in one of her videos, and I was like, why have I never thought to do that? Because I can add a little bit of double-sided adhesive, and then that way that tag stays exactly where I want it to, and it's not just like flopping around on the page. So got that on there. Now we're going to go ahead and customize this chipboard piece. So I am adding some clear sticky embossing ink to the surface of that chipboard piece, and then I'm going to sprinkle some gold embossing powder onto it. I'll go ahead and tap off the excess and hold on to it with my little craft tweezers so my fingers don't get burned as I melt this. And embossing powder does have to be melted, so I'm going to just heat that up till it's good and smooth. It takes a little bit longer just because the chipboard's thick. When I do this technique, I do like to do 2 or 3 layers of embossing powder. So once that's cooled off, I'll go ahead and add another layer of the clear sticky ink and then another layer of the embossing powder. So this is a great way to customize your chipboard pieces, or if you have chipboard pieces that maybe you want to use but it's not quite the right color, or maybe you want, like this, like adding a little bit of gold metallic to something. This is a great way to stretch your supplies. So don't be afraid to pull out your embossing powders and customize pieces like this. So I'm going to mix that with some of these puffy stickers. This is from the Rebekah kit, and then there's those gold foiled alpha stickers over to the side. My title is going to say happy and proud, and I am proud. I am so amazed at, like I said, just being on this team and the generosity of Gina. She's the owner of Felicity Jane. She is so sweet and so kind. So I would encourage you to try to get on a design team because it is such a unique experience, and it really helps you grow in your creativity and stretch you in your ability to use products and think of projects and things like that. It's just an awesome experience. So I'm excited to start documenting some of these moments in this notebook. I'm also going to go ahead and use these little tiny alpha stickers to add the date, so 2019 to 2020, just so that when I look back through here, I'll remember when this design team call was. I did go ahead and pull out this chipboard piece. This is from the Jenny collection, just as a final little die cut piece there. And that is going to be it for this layout. I am so excited for this project, so I hope you're going to come along with me as I document in here. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Check out the description box for links to everything that I used today. Be sure to head on over to the Felicity Jane blog to see more close-up photos of this project. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.